Driving can be unpredictable. Road rage or legal disputes can happen quickly. The MacFaith DVR system is your silent witness, recording real-time events inside and outside your vehicle. Whether you're a fleet owner or daily driver, MacFaith's HD cameras give you clear evidence when you need it, protecting you from false claims and helping in court. With AI technology, the ADAS system watches your surroundings and warns you of dangers like collisions or lane drifting. The driver monitoring system keeps you alert, noticing distractions or fatigue. Features like data encryption and Face ID protect your privacy and keep your vehicle secure. Don't let an incident get out of control. Trust MacFaith DVR to protect you, on the road and in court. Equip your vehicle today. Visit macfaith.com and drive with confidence.